Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am back with another video in our how to start a stationery business series. And today we're going to talk about creating an embroidery hat, and the site I'll be using today is Printify. You guys know I already have my it's been a while since I recorded a video, y'all, so I'm tripping. I already have my design that says small business owner. I have it in white and black. I have not decided what color hat I'll get just yet, but we're gonna go ahead and hop over to Printify in a second. But if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I am super excited to just continue to go through this series. You guys have seemed to been loving the videos so far. I want to keep that momentum up with providing you the unboxings and showing you how you can create these different products on different websites. The whole idea of this is to be able to create a stationery business where you don't have to actually go ahead and ship stuff. My goal of this is to create a print-on-demand stationery business where you are not in charge of shipping everything to your customers. So let's go ahead and go over to Printify. So this is my back office. So I am just going to go ahead to the catalog, and because I know I want to do a hat, I'll probably just go over to accessories and then go down to hats. So they have a lot of different hats here, and it does let you know which ones are embroidery. Let's see what the other one has, because even though I love that, I'm really loving, like, you know, black and white. So this one is by My Locker as well, and it's the twill, the unisex hat. If you want to check it out and see what it looks like on here on different people, they have different colors here as well. The colors they have are white, charcoal, black, Kelly green, forest green, true navy, true royal, purple, and true red. I think I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And I'm probably going to do the color white. Make sure my design is 1200 by 720. All right, so I got my hat, and the size for the hat is 1200 by 720. Make sure you have that exact size for your design. I'm gonna go ahead and upload my image here in the black, the one that says small business owner. I uploaded that, and here it is on the white hat. The only thing that I would say is like the stitching of the hat. I don't know if it's going to be black or white. I would hope the stitching is white, and then you can preview it again. I guess it can help me. So the stitching is white. It says small business owner, and that's the front. I don't think I have anything I want to put on the back. I don't know. Let's see. Can you put anything on the back? No, you can't put anything on the back. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. All right. So I'm not going to publish this, but I am going to create an order for this hat. I'm going to order it for myself. And again, it's one size. It ended up being $13.78. I'm gonna go ahead and order this hat, and then you guys will see an unboxing of the twill unisex hat from Printify once it comes in. And again, I hope you guys are truly enjoying the stationery business series. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.